If I were to tell you that a solitary term possesses the power to materialize your aspirations, would you believe me? It may appear implausible, but the truth is, you only require one word to manifest all that you desire. Simply choose a word that aligns with your desires, repeat it daily, and witness its manifestation. Greetings to all. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we delve deep into the teachings of Neville Goddard and the law of assumption, exploring how a single word can manifest your desires. Let's begin with part 1, understanding the law of assumption. Firstly, let's discuss the law of assumption, a concept popularized by Neville Goddard, a metaphysical teacher of the 20th century. This law states that your reality reflects your assumptions, beliefs, and expectations. In simpler terms, what you assume to be true becomes your reality. The key to manifesting your desires lies in assuming the feeling of your wish being fulfilled. You may wonder how the law of assumption differs from the law of attraction. While both principles focus on the power of the mind, the law of assumption places greater emphasis on feeling and living in the end result. The law of attraction, on the other hand, often emphasizes the process of attracting what you desire through thoughts and visualization. Now let's take a closer look at the law of assumption. This principle is based on the idea that your beliefs and assumptions shape your reality. When you assume something to be true, your mind accepts it as reality and begins to create experiences that align with that assumption. For instance, if you believe you are incapable of achieving your goals, your mind will generate experiences that reinforce that belief, such as missed opportunities or failures. However, if you assume that you are capable of achieving your goals and embody the feeling of having already accomplished them, your mind will create experiences that align with that assumption. This is the essence of the law of assumption. Neville Goddard believed that this law is a powerful tool for manifesting your desires. By assuming the feeling of your wish being fulfilled, you align yourself with the energy of that desire and attract it into your life. Allow me to share an example that demonstrates the power of the law of assumption. A student named Leela was struggling to find a job after graduating from college. Despite months of unsuccessful searching, she stumbled upon Neville Goddard's teachings and decided to give them a try. Leela used the law of assumption and focused on a single word, employment, to manifest her dream job. Each day, she repeated the word and visualized what it would feel like to have a fulfilling job that paid well and utilized her skills. After a few weeks of practicing these techniques, Leela received an offer for a job that aligned perfectly with her desires. Not only did it meet her salary expectations and utilize her skills, but it was also with a company that aligned with her values and passions. Leela was overjoyed and attributed her success to the law of assumption. Now let's move on to part 2, choosing your single word to effectively manifest your desires using the law of assumption. It is crucial to select a single word that encompasses your desire and evokes the feeling of its fulfillment. Let's consider an example to illustrate the process. Imagine your core desire is to manifest greater abundance in your life. Begin by identifying the emotions associated with abundance. Perhaps you feel joy, excitement, and gratitude when you think about it. Brainstorm words that evoke those feelings, such as prosperity, abundance, or wealth. Choose the word that resonates most with you and best represents your desired state of abundance. Here are a few more examples of powerful words for different desires. Love. If you seek to attract a romantic partner or strengthen existing relationships, the word love can serve as a potent reminder of the warmth and connection you desire. Success. For those pursuing professional achievements or personal growth, the word success can help you stay focused on your goals and visualize your accomplishments. Health. If you aim to improve your well-being, the words vitality or wellness can be powerful choices, evoking feelings of energy and vibrancy. Remember, the key is to select a word that truly embodies the essence of your desire and the feeling of its fulfillment. Moving on to part 3, using your single word. Now that you have your single word, it's time to put it into action. Here are a few ways to utilize your word to manifest your desire. Visualization. Imagine yourself already in possession of your desired state while focusing on your single word. For instance, if your word is love, visualize yourself in a loving relationship, feeling the warmth and connection with your partner. Follow these steps to visualize. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes. Take deep breaths to calm your mind and body. Visualize your desired outcome in vivid detail, incorporating all your senses. Engage your senses to feel what it would be like to have already achieved your goal. Focus on positive emotions like gratitude, joy, and love during the visualization. Repeat this visualization daily to keep your mind focused on your desired outcome. Meditation. Meditation is a practice that promotes calmness, reduces stress, and enhances well-being. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to meditate with your single word. Choose a single word that represents your desired state, such as abundance, love, success, or health. Find a quiet and comfortable space free from distractions. Close your eyes, focus on your breath, and let your body relax. Silently repeat your chosen word in your mind, allowing it to evoke the associated feeling. Stay focused, gently guiding your attention back to your single word whenever your mind wanders. Continue repeating your word and feeling the associated emotion for a few minutes. You can set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes. When you're ready to end your meditation, take a few deep breaths. Open your eyes and reflect on the feelings you experienced. In part 4, let's discuss feeling the energy of your single word. Take a few deep breaths and repeat your word to yourself, all the while envisioning your desire as already manifested. For example, if your word is prosperity, imagine the feeling of having an abundance of money and financial security. Allow yourself to fully embody the feeling of your wish being fulfilled. As you practice feeling the energy of your single word, you can also employ other sensory techniques to enhance the experience. For instance, listen to music that evokes the emotions associated with your word, or surround yourself with objects that remind you of your desired state. Initially, this may require practice, but with repetition, it will become easier. The key is to genuinely feel the energy of your single word permeating every aspect of your being. Finally, in part 5, we discuss allowing your desire to manifest. The last step in manifesting your desire using a single word is to allow it to manifest in your life. This entails letting go of doubts, fears, and limiting beliefs that hinder the flow of abundance, love, success, or health. Gratitude is an effective method for achieving this. Take time each day to express gratitude for the abundance, love, success, or health already present in your life. By focusing on what you're grateful for, you raise your vibration and open yourself to receive even more blessings. Additionally, take inspired action aligned with your single word and the feeling of your wish being fulfilled. For example, if you desire more abundance, take actions that align with building wealth, such as investing or starting a side hustle. If you found this content valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.